In IELTS speaking, opinion-based questions often start with, "Do you think? What is your opinion? In your view, to what extent?" The trick is, give a clear opinion, yes, no, partly. Explain why with at least one or two strong reasons. Support with an example, personal or general. Conclude naturally. Here are some sample questions with Band 8 and 9 style answers. Do you think children should be given homework every day? Answer. Personally, I don't believe children should be given homework every single day. The main reason is that too much homework can put unnecessary pressure on them and reduce their interest in learning. For example, if a child spends long hours at school and then continues studying at home, it leaves little time for play or creativity. In my opinion, homework is useful in moderation, but it should not replace free time, which is equally important for a child's development. In your opinion, is technology making people's lives better or worse? Answer. In my view, technology has made our lives significantly better, but it also brings some challenges. On the positive side, it has made communication much faster and easier. For instance, people can connect with family members abroad instantly through video calls. On the downside, many people have become overly dependent on gadgets, which sometimes reduces face-to-face interaction. Overall, I would say the benefits outweigh the drawbacks because technology has opened opportunities that were unimaginable in the past. Do you think people today are healthier than in the past? Answer. I would say people today are healthier in some aspects but less healthy in others. Thanks to modern medicine and awareness campaigns, many serious diseases can now be prevented or cured. For example, vaccines have saved millions of lives. However, modern lifestyles also promote unhealthy eating and less physical activity, which has led to problems like obesity. So, I think while medical science has improved our health, lifestyle choices still remain a big concern. Do you agree that money is the most important factor in choosing a career? Answer. I don't fully agree with that. Of course, money is important because everyone needs financial security, but I believe passion and job satisfaction matter more in the long run. For example, if someone chooses a career only for a high salary but dislikes the work, they may eventually feel stressed or unfulfilled. Personally, I think a balance is ideal. A career that pays well but also matches one's interests and skills. Tip for IELTS. Use. In my view, I would say, personally, I think, to some extent, sounds natural. Use examples, real or hypothetical. Speak for 3 to 4 sentences at least.